Here we will create a window application to export data from text box to a Word file. First we will add form and we will add controls on it. These are the controls that we have added. Here one text box is added as text box 1, and we will set multi-line property of this text box to true, and we have added this button. On click event of this button we are going to export the data from this text box to a Word file. Before writing any code we will first set the reference. So from project select add reference, here select com object, and from here we will select the Microsoft Word object, Microsoft Word 12.0 object library, and we will click on OK. And we will create alias name for this Microsoft Office with using export word equal to microsoft.office.inter.word, and we will use this alias name in our program. After setting reference we will write a code to transfer the text box data to Word file. So at click event of this button we will write a code. First we will create the object of our export word dot application. So export word dot application, new export word dot application. That is, here we have created the object of export word application as Word app. Then we will make the Word app to visible true. Then we will use the command export word dot document as Word document. Then we will create object Word object equal to system dot reflection dot missing value. Then we will create Word doc equal to Word app dot documents dot add, and we will pass our Word object as a reference. So reference ref Word object. After that Word app dot selection dot type text and text box name, that is which value you want to transfer. Text box 1 dot text, and after that we will set the Word app as null. To execute we will call it in program.cs. Then we will execute it. We will write here export data from text box to Word file, and we will click on this export data button. It will transfer the typed data in the text box to a Word file. From here you can save the Word file on your storage device.